Hi guys, so I want to show you guys how I source for clients on Twitter. We all know Twitter as X. So this is how I source for my clients and try to like network with founders on X. So this is my profile. This is the home page. I'm just gonna. The network is terrible. So what we're gonna do next is to search for startup. I'm gonna search for startup and let's see what to pop up. Actually did a voiceover directly while recording, but the voice didn't record, so this is it. So we have different handles. We have startup archive, we have startup, like so many startups handles that you can click on to see what you want. So I'm going to, and you can also use the hashtag to, because some founders when they make posts they will use the hashtag startup or something to make it easy to find them. So we're gonna work with startup archive. So for startup archive, this is it says archiving the world's best startup advice for a future generation. So this is like an account where you're gonna see startups. This account is for startups, so you will see many founders here. So what I do is I go through their posts and I go through the comment section to see if I can connect with some startup founders. Just read through the comment section, see if there's anything that interests me and if there's any profile that interests me. So I do this, I just take my time to scan through the comment section, and when I see any profile that interests me, I click on that profile to see what that person does. So this person is a producer, not my target audience. I move on to the next one, and I just keep scrolling till I see another account that interests me. And when I see sorry, pardon the background noise. So this I'm gonna check. Okay, not my target audience, so I'm just gonna leave and check another post, maybe recent post. So I'm gonna do this. Scroll down till I get to any post that interests me. I keep scrolling. So the algorithm suggested people I can follow, startup founders. So I'm gonna click on this person's page. It seemed like he has a lot of followers, and yes, he has about 87,000 followers. So there will definitely be like small startups under his own handle in his comment section, trying to connect with him and network with him as well. So I'm just gonna also go through his post and see if I can get smaller startups, because you don't really want to focus on the big startup guys, because they're also working with big talents, big freelancers like agencies mostly. But you can see other people under their comments that you can connect with. So I'm just gonna scroll through. Maybe I'll see somebody that interests me. So I saw this person. Now my target audience. Check for another one. So the network is kind of slow. Oh, I saw my fellow designer. Let's say designer or motivational speaker. I just know I see him on my timeline a lot. Okay, so this person is my target audience. He has 3 products, but they are all AI related products. So he has 3 products. So he has a recent post. I'm gonna say he has like 5k followers, not too much. I'll give him a follow, and if I'm lucky he's gonna follow me back. So that's his recent post. Jeff Bezos, Steve One Mobile, Larry Page One Search. So I'm gonna answer who wins AI. Of course, Sam Altman should win AI, because he's like the first person that had a product that people can relate with to AI. So yeah, I dropped my comment, Sam Altman. So he might possibly respond to me or give me back give me a follow back, so something like that. Just trying to network and try to get people to notice me. So I've posted my reply. Another thing is I can go to Y Combinator to also do the same thing that I did with Startup Archive. I'll do the same thing with Y Combinator. I'm just gonna go through their posts, go through their comment section, scan for people that might interest me. And the next thing is I search for hiring designers, like the text, the statement or sentence, hiring designers. I use designers because I'm a designer. So I'm gonna see what the algorithm will show to me is that it will show me different posts and different people. If you have on your bio, if you write I am hiring designers on your bio, it's going to show that to me, and I'm going to see posts. I think the algorithm first suggested people that I'm following, like my connections, that made posts about hiring designers before it will start showing me random people. So I'm gonna just go through, scroll down. I'm going to see if there's anybody. You can see different posts. I am hiring for a designer. You just keep scrolling, you will see different posts related to what I searched for. So look at this one too. This person said they're hiring. So you're just gonna see any post that has that keyword hiring designers in it. I'm gonna see it. So after doing that, the next thing I do again is whenever I'm on Twitter, aside from scrolling through posts, I join spaces, random spaces. I just go through the space section and see what spaces are on and which one I can join. So this one said Christian dating, not my target audience. Solana something. So if you're a Web3 guy or Web3 girl, Solana is good. You don't want to listen anonymously because then what's the point? Nobody will notice you. So I joined that space. Just gonna join, check what it's about, listen for a few minutes. If it's interesting, I'll just stay put. Another thing I do is I send emojis, I send stickers, reactions, so that they will notice me. Okay, so this space ended already. I'm going to look for another space to join and do the same thing. So this also looks like Web3 space, so I'm going to tune in. I'll join them in the space, and so my mic is muted because I don't want to speak. So one thing I'll do is I'll just be sending reactions for them to notice me. So from the audio I could hear people laughing. Someone was laughing, so that means they were saying something funny, so I was just dropping that funny reaction. So from this space now, I can actually try to follow different people, follow the hosts, the co-hosts and stuff. You can I can give them a follow, drop comments. You can see other people are also laughing and dropping the laughing emoji. So I'm gonna do the same thing as well and drop the laughing emoji, so that it will be as if I'm in tune with what they're saying and I understand what they're saying. So sometimes I do understand what they're saying, but this time around I muted the audio, so I wasn't hearing them, but I saw other people sending laughing stickers, so I did it as well. So you can go ahead to give anybody a follow in the space, maybe the host or somebody that said something, like a speaker that said something that resonated with you. You can do that as well. And yeah, you can decide to stay around or leave the space. So I left. That's it.